Hello everyone. As you see, I'm still in teacher practice area and I'm trying to figure out how some of these activities work. And I'm sure you are also having a good time playing with these activities and resources and exploring which one is more useful for you. As you see, I have already turned the editing button on and I want to go to the list of activities and resources. From these activities, let's go to group self-selection, something that we did in the first week to choose our groups. Let's add it to the topic. Okay, adding a new group self-selection to topic 1. First of all, let's identify a name for it. Grouping or teaming or choosing a team. It can be any name. And then we can add some description here and choose whether we want the description to be displayed on the course page. Please select your team. Now that I have ticked this box, the description will appear on the course page. I want it to be open from today up to next week. First of all, I tick these boxes to enable dates from today until November 21st, 2018. Time is specified. Let's just make slight changes in time. And then I want it to be select groups from all groups, not any particular group. And here we've got the minimum numbers per group, maximum numbers per group, maximum number of the groups to participate in. The minimum members can be one person or two people to be meaningful as a group or team. Maximum, let's say 5 people. And I think maximum number of groups can be 4 group, depending on the number of people who enroll in a course. I can change these settings. Okay, there are some general permissions. Participants can join groups. Participants can leave groups. I want them to this permission. Participants can create groups, yes. Participants can set the name of new groups, why not? Participants can set and edit group description, can be. And finally, participants can set passwords for joining groups. I'm not sure if it's okay to do this as an activity that we want to leave participants free to make choices, and we don't want such restriction at the first stage. Then there are some miscellaneous settings: assigning supervisors to groups and then assigning roles to the supervisor. I want a teacher to be the supervisor. Then showing assigned supervisors, why not? but here it is restricted. I cannot make change in it. Hide full groups from the main view. Show message if the open until date is reached. Yes, I want them to receive a message, but since I'm playing with it now, let's untick it, because then all the participants in this course may receive some messages. Delete group when last participant leaves. Well, that's a good idea. Again, we've got some common module settings and restrictions and activity completion settings. Yes, I want it to be shown on the course page. And restriction, since it is the first activity on this page, it cannot be restricted by any previous one. But if I want another activity, I can be restricted based on completion of this activity. Activity completion conditions. Students can manually mark the activity as completed or do not. Any completion? Yes. Let's students to manually mark it. And we expect this activity to be completed as we signed above on 20th at this time. And also we can add tags, but for now let's save and return to the course to see how the grouping works. Open until, yes, the date is here. Now let's go and create a new group. No group is still chosen. Let's call it Team 1. No group description. Good. I just write this one. Okay. Create a new group. Let's see how the new group is created. It's something I guess like what we did in the first week. Okay, this is my new group. You can join it. I can leave the group, and you can also come and create a new group and create a download link for group data. Interesting. This is my description. I could write a lot more, and now as you see I can edit it. Welcome to Team 1. I'm the first one of the 5 people possible to join the group. Okay, I think it's enough with grouping, self-selection, self-selected groups. And thank you so much for your attention to creating this activity. Have a nice time.